Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the rewards feature with Vitepos Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Vitepos Pause panel. At the bottom of the cart panel, you'll notice a rewards icon. Clicking it shows a message. Please select a customer to apply rewards. So, we'll add a customer first. Now, clicking the rewards icon prompts, to apply rewards, Vitepos Pro is required. Let's go ahead and install and activate Vitepos Pro. Once activated, we land on the Vitepos admin panel, where we also configure the reward settings as needed. Next, return to the pause panel in Vitepos. To apply rewards properly, we need to log out and log back in to refresh the panel. After relogging in, we'll select a few items and add a customer. Now, when we click on the rewards icon, the reward redemption section becomes visible. In this example, we'll redeem 10 points, choose a payment method, and complete the order. Once the order is completed, you'll see the reward discount reflected on the invoice. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.